Fox Island Cemetery is a semi-small cemetery in Fox Island, Washington, and is conveniently surrounded by forests on 3 sides. One legend that circulates the cemetery is the legend of a man in all black who stands behind a monument and stares at people. This man is usually spotted by people who drive by the cemetery at night and see the man waving at them. So today, Dude and I will be exploring the entirety of the cemetery and the forest. This is what happened.
Okay. Now this monument right here, dude, that monument right here, this is where the man usually appears.
Yeah. It is coming down. Yeah, what he'll do is this is the monument. Yeah, it says time capsule right here. Basically, what he'll do is he'll stand right here and he'll peer. Right here, you'll see his hand, and you'll peer out this way. So let's go EMF some cemeteries, some graves.
Okay. If there are any ghosts in the area, please make this. Did it just go off?
Did it?
I don't know.
Say it again.
If there are any ghosts here, please make this black box go off. I don't think anything's happening.
Whose is this? Wife? Ida. Okay. Let's set this down right here. If there are any ghosts here, please touch this black box. Just touch it and you'll know that you're here. Do you want to go to the tree line?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's go to the forest. It's so hard to see where the graves are because they're like covered in snow and stuff.
Hold on, I'm just a bit freaked out. There's like a.
What the? Dude, it's so snowy.
Like we can't break in. I'm a bit freaked out because like.
I don't remember seeing this though. Like in any.
This just. Oh man, this kind of. I don't know about.
Dude, look. There's icicles.
Dude, this makes me think that like. This is like a classic horror movie where you're lost and you stumble upon a cabin.
Shoot! Oh my gosh! So there's actually an entrance in here. Should I put my camera through it?
Yeah, sure.
It's right here.
What the heck?
What is in here? What the hell? Nothing's in here. Should we go to the forest, dude?
I'm on it, like honestly, yeah. Okay, let's find a way to get.
Oh! I found an entrance. It's right here. Right here. Ooh, okay, it's frozen. Everything is frozen here. It's not squishy or anything. Holy! Yeah. Oh wait, is this like, what is this? Is this like a trail or something? What is this?
I don't know.
Oh, what is this? Cool. It's like a barrel, dude.
What the hell?
Was that you?
No.
No, go! What the hell? That wasn't you?
I swear.
That was not you. That was not you? Oh my gosh. What the heck? Dude, that was not you.
No.
100% not you.
Yes.
No cap.
Yes.
Bro, dude. Okay, that was freaky. That was freaky. That was either a person or 100% a ghost, dude.
I don't wanna. Or
I don't know if that was a person. That's kind of suspicious.
Okay. Should we go?
What? Oh. Yeah, I see something. I see something.
Is that movement? It's probably just a flag.
Here, let's let's EMF this thing right here. Okay. If any ghosts are here, Doris J. McDonald. If anyone's here, please touch that black box.
I kind of get the feeling we're being watched, dude.
Yeah, honestly, I kind of have that feeling too.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Oh, dude. Okay.
If there are any spirits here, please make a noise.
If there's anyone here, spirit or human, please make a noise.
The snow is just insane.
Relentless. Dude, wait, turn around. Okay, I swear I just heard a footstep right behind
Are you serious?
me. I swear.
What is this? What the heck? Oh, it's a heart. It's like, okay. I thought this was like some sort of ritual for a second. Wanna go this way? Was that you?
What?
I heard like a scratching noise.
Really?
Yeah.
For real? Okay, that was not me.
I 100% heard something coming from over there.
Okay,
It sounds like it's, I don't know, like leaves or something. Okay. Shh. Where's that coming from? I 100%.
I just heard a branch over here.
Wait, Ashley?
Okay, I'm 100% hearing something over here.
Do you want to go back down to the place where we heard the sticks where we heard this, like, the stick crumble?
You know, sure.
Yeah, it was this way.
Oh, yeah, you heard that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like, I heard like a whisper.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Dude, that's freaky.
Hello? Here, shine your light down here. Do you actually want to go down there?
Nah, yo, wait, hold on. Dude.
Come here.
Yeah, I hear it.
Shine your light.
Oh, I just heard something. I just heard something. I just heard something.
Is that a person?
I think so. I don't know.
Oh, it's just something. Get the hell.
Yeah, get the hell out! Get the hell out! Yo, bro, get out of here! Dude. This is... Yeah? Huh? What?
There's another. Okay, no. I think there's another set of footprints. It might just be ours though.
It might be. I don't know, dude. What?
Oh my god.
What?
Come here.
What?
Those are not ours.
Wait, no. These are little kid footprints. Look at the size of these things. Bro,
These are not animals though.
these are not animals. Yeah, no, dude, bro, look at these. Look at the size of them. They're so small.
And that's not animal. There's no way that's animal.
Yeah, that's not an animal footprint.
So these are little kid footprints. I'm gonna follow.
Wait. Where do they start?
They don't start anywhere because I'm still here.
Dude.
Wait, wait, okay, wait, is this a joke? Like, they're little kid footprints, no adult footprints with them besides ours, and they just came out of nowhere.
Okay, yeah, so there's literally footprints starting right there. They don't start, they start there, and they go all the way. There's,
Do you wanna follow them?
keep on going. Dude, wait, look at the spacing between these things. Look at the spacing between these things.
Dude, I'm creeped out right now.
And then they literally just stop. Okay, here they are. Here they are. Here they are. They keep on.
Are you creeping out?
Kinda.
Do you think it's pretty paranormal?
Well, dude, if footprints just begin in a spot and they don't continue, they just begin, that's
Wait,
kind of.
let's see where this road goes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, that might be the road that leads all the way down there.
Let's see. But also, they were like little kid footprints that just came out of nowhere. I need your flashlight over there.
Yeah. Oh, yo, what is. Oh, that's a bench. Okay.
What was that? Did you hear that?
Oh.
That's the screams.
I just heard screams.
Yeah.
Wait, that sounded like.
Wait, shh. They were
Yeah, I heard screams.
they were legitimately screams.
Yeah, I literally just heard screams. This is freaky. This is kind of freaky.
Oh, I think this road just goes to.
Yeah, this just leads to nowhere. Alright, dude, do you think we should, just,
One more test.
Okay.
If there's any spirits here, touch this black box or make any noise from anywhere. Did you hear that?
No.
It was like a beeping noise.
Okay. Nothing's really happening. Okay, Relieving, any last words? Ghosts, demons, people? Say whatever. Let's go back to the car, I guess.